is Cassie, aka the Crafting Chef, bringing you another tutorial on behalf of Sub This and That monthly sublimation box. For today's tutorial, I'm working from our April 2022 box titled A Gift for Those Special Women. Today's sublimation item is so unique. It is a tabletop photo block. And as you can see it here. So there is room for 5 pictures, and then it also has a stand so that it stands up on the table. So I am going to open this. And so this is the side that you will sub on. And you can see the inside there. So the first thing you want to do is peel up. Sorry if I'm not in frame, you guys. You want to remove the plastic film that is on the item. So make sure that is completely off. I'm going to take my electronic cloth and I'm going to wipe this off. And I'm going to lay this down on my photos. If you are a part of our VIP club, the template for this photo block is available in the Google Drive, and that is for all of our VIP monthly box subscribers. So I am going to tape this down. I'm going to take it over to my heat press, and I will press this at 400 degrees, 60 seconds, medium pressure. Let's go. Now, because this is aluminum, you want to have your heat press gloves handy to take this off of your heat press. So I'm going to let this cool, and then we will come back and see the finished product. All right, now that it has cooled off, we're going to go ahead and assemble. So you have the stand, support. I'm just going to place that on top. And here is the finished product. And this also makes an amazing graduation gift for the grandparents, the godparents, even the graduate to take off to college with them as decor in their dorm room. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.